Is your business struggling to keep up with increasing demands, growing customer expectations, or managing complex processes? You are not alone. In today's fast-paced world, businesses need more than just spreadsheets or outdated software to stay competitive. That's where custom ERP solutions come in. ERP or Enterprise Resource Planning is a system that integrates all the key functions of your business, from sales and marketing to finance and HR, into one unified platform. But why should you consider a custom ERP solution instead of relying on off-the-shelf options? Many businesses face challenges like inefficient processes, manual data entry, and miscommunication between departments. This often leads to increased errors, missed opportunities, and lower productivity. Custom ERP solutions are designed specifically for your business needs, helping you streamline operations, eliminate efficiencies, and increase profitability. With a custom ERP system, your business can automate routine tasks like inventory management, order processing, and invoicing, provide real-time data and analytics to make faster and informed decisions, improve communication and collaboration between departments, and breaking down silos, scale operations easily as your business grows without worrying about outgrowing your software. One of the best things about custom ERP solutions is their return on investment. Studies have shown that businesses that implemented a custom ERP system see significant improvements in efficiency, profitability, and customer satisfaction. By automating manual process and integrating disparate systems, ERP solutions help businesses reduce cost and increase productivity. Whether you are in manufacturing, retail, healthcare, or services, custom ERP solutions can be tailored to your specific needs. Let's look at some examples. Manufacturers can optimize production schedules and manage inventory with ease. Retailers can track customer orders and manage stock in real time. Healthcare providers can improve patient care and manage appointments efficiently. Custom ERP systems are no longer a luxury. They are a necessity for a business aiming for growth and efficiency. Whether you are a small business or a large enterprise, investing in custom ERP systems can position you for long-term success. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Let's talk about how a custom ERP solution can fit your business' unique needs. Reach out to Aeromuse today and start your journey towards business transformation. Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more content on how technology can transform your business. Do not forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.